Hello, I am Barbara Huey with the LWRP committee, and I want to say welcome to the Habitat Inventory page of the LWRP Public Meeting Boards. We're sharing with you today to encourage public input into our waterfront planning process. This map identifies important habitat areas for fish, animals, and plants that are concentrated around the Hudson River and its tributaries. These include areas of concern regarding endangered and threatened species such as Atlantic sturgeon, short-nosed sturgeon, intertidal spike rush, golden club, Provencher's fleabane, northern long-eared bat, and heartleaf plantain. Shown here on, on the map are significant coastal fish and wildlife habitats designated and mapped by the New York State Department of State. Also shown are New York Natural Heritage Area zones for plants and animals. The focus here is on 3 habitats within the LWRP boundary and the descriptions drawn from the Germantown Local Waterfront Revitalization Study, or LWRS, which was completed in 2018. These represent areas where water is relatively shallow and where the environment is relatively undisturbed by currents and navigation, making them extraordinary habitat. The first is the Germantown Claremont Flats, which was designated in 1987 as the largest significant coastal fish and wildlife habitat in the town of Germantown. This area of underwater habitat and shallow water is adjacent to the navigational channel in the Hudson and is a nursery and feeding ground for migratory shad. These are among the fish that spend a portion of their life in saltwater and a portion in fresh. This would also include the American eel. Other fish in this habitat include striped bass and perch, which are resident fish here all year round. And there are over 200 species of fish that inhabit the Hudson, by the way. Waterfowl such as loons, several species of ducks, blue-winged teal, green-winged teal are also found in the flats. Animals such as turtles, frogs, and salamander species are found in this community also. Another area shown further out into the river is the Inbach Bay and Duck Cove. It's another important area for littoral and mudflats that are rare in the Hudson Valley. The larger area of south of Catskill includes 63 acres within the Germantown LWRP boundary, a portion of which is a spoils island created from dredging efforts. This hosts several species of amphibians and turtles. These open areas also provide habitat for waterfowl in spring and fall. It also supports nesting bald eagles and mute swans. This area attracts hunters from throughout the region. Though there are reports that the waterfowl populations are in decline, this may be at least part to do with changes in habitat, such as invasive plant species. The third area on the map is at the mouth of the Rojan Kill. This habitat also designated as significant coastal fish and wildlife habitat and a major freshwater tributary of the Hudson River, encompassing 125 acres within the LWRP boundary, with limited areas of disturbance. The Rojan provides significant spawning for both migratory and resident fish species. Waterfowl, amphibians, and reptiles also call the Rojan home. See the Germantown LWRS for more detail if you'd like. The Rojan Kill is an important fishing destination for smallmouth bass during the spring and summer months. This is just a brief overview of this critically important region, and I'd like to invite, please comment or add questions in the comment areas attached. Your contributions are what this is all about and are really greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.